Hello guys, welcome to Java Developers YouTube channel. Yesterday we had been started the HTML playlist and we have go through some of the basic introduction, what is HTML, how to write the code, where to write the code, right? We have discussed our today topics regarding HTML elements and HTML attributes and nested tags, comments in HTML. These are the today's topic we are going to discuss. Okay, for that just open the VS Code and create a new file. In yesterday we have set up this environment and we have downloaded some of the extensions, right? So in the same way, second.html is a file name, so shift 1 simultaneously, then give the title name as second page or second day, or you can give like day 2. Okay, and instead of that I want to hello, right? And I want to use hello. These are heading tags h1 to h6 or heading tags in HTML. Okay, basically our first topic is about HTML element. Okay, come to the point of these are heading tags, right? Just write heading tags in HTML5. Sorry, HTML5.x. Okay, just if you run this file, just right click on anywhere, open with live server, right? You are able to get headings tags in HTML5, right? These are already we seen that, right? Here what the tags, that is h1 to h6, they will call it as heading tags in HTML. Basically they was used for the different purposes based on the usage. Okay, for the heading purpose, I want big heading, then I go for h1. Small heading, I go for h2. Based on the requirement, we are going to use these heading tags. Okay, and the priority level for the h1 is more while compared to h6. h2 is more while compared to remaining down things. As we going down, priority levels will decreases. Okay, that's all about today heading tags. And what is an element? Okay, come to the point of element. Element is a combination of, okay, it's h1 is an opening tag, h1 it's a closing tag. Okay, opening and closing, in between that we are going to write the some content, right? In between that we are going to write some content. The total combination of opening tag and closing tag and the content in between them, we are going to call it as element. Okay, we are going to call it as element. It's refer h1 heading tags in HTML5.x version, we call it as element. The complete thing we call it as an element, right? Yes. Next, in tags there are two types in HTML. The tags is divided into two types. Literally the first one is paired tags. Okay, paired tags, and next one is unpaired tags. Unpaired tags are opening. Okay, as a paired tags, example for the paired tag is, I have taken lorem 10, right? It's a paragraph. Inside that I have generated some text, right? Or else you can use one hr, then p, and place cursor here and right click on that and use as where is generate a dummy text. Okay, it's asking about how many words you want. I want 5 words. Okay, lorem, yeah, I was used here, right? Then hr, right? Coming to the point here, coming to the point, we have two tags, right? One is paid, another one is unpaid. Here p is opened and p is closed. In between that we have written some content, that is called as an element. Okay, if you go and watch the output of our code, here hr is nothing but horizontal line. It's an unpaid tag because opening is there but there is no closing for that. Okay, we are open the HR, but there is no closing for that. You can write n number of HRs. Okay, no issue with that, but you will get the number of lines as you writing the number of HRs. Okay, and next here the same, I have written the paragraph tag, inside that some text, and HR is a horizontal line. Completed, right? It's all about paid and unpaid tags. And some more examples is br, like if you want more space you are using the br into 5. Okay, if I write paragraph here with the lorem 5, right, you will see there is a much space between the second text to the third text, because that due to the br create the spaces. Break, br stands for breaking the line. Okay, that's the issue with the br. And you have tags like meta tag. Okay, already we seen here, right, these meta tags are open but they are not closed yet. Okay, and we have example is image tag. And here in paid tags we have the examples like heading tags, okay, anchor tag. Okay, these are all examples of paid and unpaid tags. Okay, if you have any doubts just comment me below. Okay, next, while coming to the point of html attributes. Okay, what is an attribute? Attribute will provide the additional information. Just if I take img src, okay, here it's an img, it's a unpaid tag, right, because opening is there but there is no closing for that, right? And img, and it will be consisting of src. Src means it's a source. Okay, and alt is nothing but for writing or naming the image. Okay, if you take anchor tag, anchor tag is basically used for the creating of links. Image tag is used to create the images. Okay, here first one is anchor tag. Okay, and the next one is image tag. Okay, anchor tag used to create the links, whereas image tag used to insert the images into the our web page. Okay, if I use http dot slash slash www.google.com, then I will writing the text as a Google. Okay, and if I write anchor tag http slash dot www.twitter.com, and if I write Twitter, right, these are the some of the links, right? And if I want insert images, let's see this first, right? Okay, here I want to create, just see here output is they have closeness. I want to create some space, just use the br. Okay, you got it, some that's breaking the line. Okay, I want one more br, right? This is a creation of break. Okay, if I click on this Google, it will navigate to the Google, but it was reloading in the same page, same tab, right? Again I have to go back. And Twitter, if I click on Twitter, I want go to the Twitter login page, right? It goes. Okay, it's all about that. Next, you are observing that when I going inside the Google, the color has been changed to the violet or something, right? I was not inside of Twitter, I was not reached inside of the Twitter, it was showing that in a blue color. Okay, you have to observe that too. And while I was pressing it, it was navigating in the same tab, but I don't want that to be navigate in the same tab. When I click on Google, it has to create some other tab, and then it has to show the Google. But if the tag name, as a title name we have given day 2, right, as the title name we had given day 2, it was showing here. But when I click on Google, it was navigating in the same tab, right? I don't want this. Okay, then you have to use the attributes, like I have the target equals to blank. Okay, then if I click on Google, it will navigate into the another, creating the separator tab. Okay, creating the separator tab, and then it was navigating. If I click on Twitter, Twitter is still, we are not done with the Twitter, right? I mean, we have not provided the attribute for that. Okay, just use target equals to underscore of blank. Okay, instead of Twitter you can use like chat GPT. Okay, just refresh that or reload it. Okay, open with live server. I mean, we have not changed the name, right? Open AI. Okay, just click on it. Okay, it will navigate to the chat GPT, right? These are the, I mean, here it's providing the additional information. It's an attribute. Okay, just if I go for um images for HTML, right? If I go for images for HTML, you have like Pixabay is a channel. I mean, it's a website. I want to use this image in my web page. So copy the link address, then go for our HTML VS Code, then paste it. Okay, it was a long path, and just if the image is not loaded perfectly, then error will be displayed. Okay, let's see this. It's not loading. I mean, we need not to copy this. I think copy the link address. Okay, just go. We will go ahead with 1 minute. Go with the unsplash. Okay. Go ahead with the unsplash, and you will be getting the option like copy the image address. Okay, just click on copy the image address. Okay, just paste the image address here, and if I write error, okay, if I navigate to our page, you are getting the image right here, but image is large in size, but I want to decrease that. Just use the height as 200 pixel, and width should be 400 pixel. Okay, it's an image. Okay, but I won't break br into two, right? After, right, it's an image. Okay, if I want display some name on the image, I mean, control A, just press it and just select the format document, and that will be adjusted. Okay, next go for title. Okay, go for title, and title is, it's an image font, or you can write as Java developers, right? If I place it somewhere, I mean, like if you are placing the cursor on our image, you are getting the name like Java developers. I mean, for the placing, when you are hovering the our mouse on an image, so if you want to get our name, so you can use this title. Okay, all these alt, height, width, title, okay, all these are attributes. They are providing the additional information, right? Here height is providing how much should be the height, and width is providing what is the width, and title is providing what the title you want to give to the present image. Okay, or if you want to place another image like img, and just go for the website of this unsplash. Okay, then view this, copy the image address. Okay, just copy the image address and paste it. Okay, control A, and just format the document. Okay, we are able to see this clearly. Then error, if the image is not loaded completely, it will shows that height is equals to 150 pixel and width equals to 400 pixel. Okay, I want to do the title as html 5.x version. Okay, just if you are navigating to our page, it shows that image, right? Image. These all about attributes. I mean, how you are using the attributes, right? It's a content of that. Okay, as of now we discussed elements, paid tags, unpaid tags, and attributes. What is anchor tag, what is an image tag, how to use that, right? We have discussed a lot of information here, and after that we will go for the nested tags. Okay, one tag is used inside the another tag. Okay, nested tags. Okay, what are the nested tags? One tag is used. If I take the parent and lorem5, inside that I want to make this, or else you can write like welcome to Java developers YouTube channel. Okay, I want to make this Java developers as a bold. Okay, bold, right? If you go for that, our output, what is our output here? You can see that Java developers has highlighted with the bold, right? Highlighted with the bold. Okay, and you can use number of text formatting tags. Okay, text formatting, we call it these tags as text formatting tags. Okay, inside what the tag you had been used, that should be closed before the outer tag. Here p is the outer tag, right? It need to be closed. Okay, first we need to close the inner tag, then we have to close the outer tag. Okay, that's the issue. And this is about using the I italic. We will discuss that text formatting tags in another class. There are around 11 to 12 text formatting tags will be there. Mark, okay, italic, upper, lower, and bold, strike, delete. These are some of the text formatting tags we are going to learn in our further class. What is about our next topic is about like comments. Okay, here I have used anchor tag, I have used image tag, I have used nested tag. But if you're going inside our web page, there is no names, I mean there is no text appearing in our web page, right? So these will call it as, these are called as comments. Okay, the syntax is this: open dimension, I mean less than or greater than symbols, and inside punctuation hyphen hyphen. Okay, if you want to make anything, any line you want to make comment, just press the control and question mark uh key. Okay, simultaneous control and question mark key simultaneously, you will get commented in any language. This is a basic thing. If you want to comment, okay, just use the control plus question mark key, okay, or backslash key at the simultaneously. Okay, question mark and backslash is same. Okay, you will be having the, like in keyboard, simultaneously use the control plus slash or question mark. These keys should be pressed simultaneously, then our text will be converted into the comments in any language. I mean it was possible with the Java too. Okay, or JavaScript, React, anything that can be done. Okay, this is about the today topic. If you have any doubt, just comment me below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.